Hello, welcome to CM Square, and this is John Choi. Today we are going to do one questions from IB past paper for Math SL for this topic, integration by substitutions. So this is different to those integration rules listed on the formula board. You should know when you have to use integration by substitutions is when you are integrating a multiple or a fraction functions. So you see two terms, they multiply together, x times e to the power x squared minus 1. Because in integration there's no product rule and also no quotient rule. Okay, so we can using those integration rules listed on formula book to integrate a multiple or fraction functions. So part A, integrate x times e exponent to the power x squared minus 1 dx. So the first step we have to let u be the power x squared minus 1. So always follow the steps. And then we have to find the derivative of the this function du over dx. 2x. And the first step is to make dx subject. So swap these two terms, right? So dx equal du divided by 2x. And now once you make dx subject, and then we can put all back to the functions. So integration x exponent to the power, we can write u instead of x squared minus 1. We can sub u into x squared minus 1. So dx, and dx is replaced by du over 2x. And now you see the x and x cancels out. Okay? And the 2 is on denominator, so it's 1/2 integration eu du. So here, please check there's only one unknown u, but not two unknown u and x. If there are two unknown u and x here, that means you can't cancel out the x. Maybe there is something wrong. Okay, so integration of eu is just eu, the same. So it's 1/2 eu plus z as constant here. It's an indefinite integral. And lastly, let's change back to x squared minus 1. 1/2 e x squared minus 1 plus z. And that's all for part A. Part B. Find f of x given that f prime of x equal x times exponent to the power x squared minus 1 and f negative 1 equals 3. That means when x equal negative 1, y equals 3. Yeah, and that's the function of fx. Yeah, here. Because f prime of x is just functions. So integration of the f prime of x will give an fx. So we can write fx equals 1/2. We just copy it. Exponent x squared minus 1 plus c. And now we are going to solve the constant. So when x equal negative 1, y equals 3. And now we can solve it without calculator. It's long calculator question, paper 1. So negative 1 squared is 1. 1 minus 1 will be 0. So e to the power 0 will be 1. So it's just 1/2 times 1 plus z. So the constant is 3 minus 0.5. It's just 2.5. Right? So f of x equals 1/2 e to the power x squared minus 1 plus 2.5. That's all.